All right, bro. So what? Are we doing this? Swapping out the F30 for the 440i? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So we are here today with my boy Sticks.
What's up, y'all? What's goody?
We're gonna check out his 440i, and who knows, maybe he'll trade.
Maybe.
I don't know. What do you think?
I'm really liking these wheels. That's all I'm saying.
Bro, I mean, if you want to trade, I'll give you the wheels. I say it in literally every single video of mine now, but these wheels, man, I freaking love them. Yeah, anyways, guys, what we want to do today is check out his car, because if you guys don't know already, Sticks has his own YouTube channel. So do me a favor, guys. Oh, there it is right there. He has obviously this 440i, which is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
B58. You guys already know I love a 4 Series. And he does more wild stuff than I do.
Yeah, not too much, man. I just be driving around. I just be enjoying life, enjoying the car, and just having fun. So
I mean, that's all we can do, right?
Right.
So go check him out, guys. Subscribe to his channel. And yo, like he's my he literally goes to the same gym as me.
Yeah, it's
which
crazy
is pretty
how,
crazy,
yeah,
right?
It's crazy how we even how this all started, but yeah, we
legit. But yo, honestly, I love it, bro, because like these videos are some of my favorite to do. Just like hanging out with someone else who likes cars like me, who has, you know, like cool cars like this. So what I want to do, guys, is because like me and Sticks, we have a whole bunch of videos planned together.
Yeah.
We already actually filmed one, which you guys will see after this video, but I filmed it before this video. But before posting that video, I wanted to like introduce Sticks, introduce his car so you guys are familiar with it. So yeah, we just want to hang out today. I want to show you guys his car, like I said, because we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of videos together. And like I was trying to say before, is I just like to check out people's cars. Like that's one of my favorite things about cars, is like seeing other people's builds, you know, and seeing what they did to it. And you know, because like listen, like I love my cars, but like I don't want to just show you guys my cars all the time. Like if you guys love Beamers or any just cars in general, like you want to see other people's cars too, right? So like that's what we're here to do today. Anyway, so with that said, we're gonna jump into it. So Sticks, you're gonna take us around the car, right? You're gonna show us everything that you've done to it. All right, so we'll start off with the basics, right? So this is a 2018, 2018 440i, obviously white, Grand Coupe.
Yeah.
Is it X-Drive?
Yeah, X-Drive.
X-Drive, which most cars in New York are X-Drive anyways, right? Because like we need it. And yeah, so take us around it.
Let's see. All right, so let's start over here. We got the pretty much all carbon fiber on the outside. I got the carbon fiber
side mirror caps over here. You got half a front lip over here.
Yeah, I got half a front lip. So that actually happened. I got in it was a weather thing. So,
yeah, oh, I feel that, man.
Yeah, it was a weather thing, and I was leaving work, but it was like a storm, and every like road was blocked. It was that time where like a lot of cars were being flooded.
Oh,
I was outside
yeah.
that day, and
oh,
then
that
I
sucks.
hit something, but I didn't know until I got home, so I lost my front.
That's alright. Honestly, man, like it still looks good.
It looks nice, right? Like
yeah,
that
people literally sell just these pieces. Like some people just intentionally rock it like this. You also got like the carbon fiber eyelids, right?
Yeah, this is
these
like
have faded, huh?
Yeah,
that's why I never did them on my car.
They're getting duds, bro. It's the sun though.
Yeah, it's the sun is crazy on these things. Because people have asked me like, yo, are you gonna do it on your car? I'm like, I don't know. You got the double slat.
Yep, I got the double
front grills, of course. You got the black emblem. Some dark. I said in my video about Justin's car, I was like, yo, you got drug dealer tint.
Oh yeah,
you do too.
Yeah, I got the bro.
You got the drug dealer tint.
I have 5%. Like I have 5% on top of 20.
Oh sheesh. Oh, that's right, because your rear windows come tinted anyways.
Yeah.
Dang, bro, that's dark. What do you do in that back seat?
Bro, I don't even sit back there.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's there,
I don't know. That's a little sus. That's a little sus. You got the carbon fiber spoiler over here. Bro. Yours is pretty aggressive, right?
Yeah, I wanted it like the aggressive look. I feel like it doesn't look too aggressive, but it's pretty aggressive, I'd say.
Yeah, I think it's good. Nah, I think this is perfect.
Yeah.
You got the carbon fiber diffuser down here too. Is this real carbon or is this dip?
Nah, this is the fake.
Honestly, bro, like the fake people hate on the fake stuff. Like this actually fits better than the real carbon fiber.
It do, cause my boy he had the real one.
Yeah.
Cause he got a 442, but he got the coupe, and this one looks better than his. Like it fits better.
Well, I'll say this. I had got the real one from my boy Inline 6 Auto for the 435. It looked beautiful. It looked absolutely beautiful, but the fitment was just so tough, and it's like, no matter where you get it from, like the fitment's always tough because real carbon fiber, guys, like it just doesn't flex.
Yeah.
And you know, like it doesn't flex like plastic.
Yeah.
It's just the reality. I mean, like something like a diffuser. So like this, if you guys notice, I'm gonna show you real quick like the difference between the 4 Series diffuser. So like this 4 Series diffuser, if you guys notice, like it curves right over there, it curves up over here. This is one of the toughest fitment spots on these cars.
I was struggling too doing this though.
Even the plastic one.
Bro.
Even the plastic one.
5 hours, bro.
Oh, I know. Trust me, I've been there. But if you guys notice, so like I have a real carbon fiber diffuser on my 3 Series. This one doesn't fit too bad. I still got to go back and like adjust the fitment. Like I got to take off the bumper and like adjust everything. This one doesn't fit as bad. But if you guys notice on the 3 Series, it's just flat. Like it's not as like curved and complex as the 4 Series. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, so like,
I didn't even notice that till you just said that.
Yeah, so like if you guys have a 3 Series, honestly, like fitment is gonna be easier because it's just a simpler design. Whereas any 4 Series, the Grand Coupe or the Coupe, it's a little more complex. But anyways, the point is, you know, it's fake, but like in a way, it's a lot smarter.
Yeah.
Also, it's a lot cheaper. But yeah, so I think in terms of carbon, that's pretty much it. Yeah. We obviously you got the nicer wheels, man. These are 19s, right?
Yeah, I got 19s.
These are 19s. Yeah, these look so good, dude. Like I know they're OEM BMW wheels, but like these look really good.
Oh, I did the. Oh, I need to switch this one. They sent me this. I got that from Keys actually.
Hey, shout out to Keys.
Yeah, I did their spacers and I did their
What size spacers are you running?
15.
15 in the rear?
All the way around.
All the way around?
But this, look, you see, I told you when I had 20 scrape my paint here.
Oh, that's right.
Messed up my calipers too, bro.
Oh, so we're saying it because I did a video with Sticks on his channel, which by the way, again, when you guys go subscribe to him, go check out that video, drop it a like, say what's up, man. Like,
yeah,
I want to feel special. You're like, yo, it's Eamon. I know that guy.
He's like, oh shoot, I see him somewhere.
Yeah, I see him somewhere. I have no idea where, but like, he was mentioning in his video about my car how he got 20s for this car, and like he kind of regretted it because they're too big, and like he was just literally mentioning like it kind of like messed some stuff up. So like,
yeah, it definitely did.
For you 4 Series guys out there, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people run 20s and they're fine, but like, I don't know, maybe something to take into consideration.
It's like I had stagger set up.
Oh, so it was 20s in the rear and then 19s in the front,
no,
like,
it was
or
20,
the width.
It was 20, but the back ones were like the width was bigger, and so when I had like 285 in the back.
You had 285?
Bro, it was crazy, bro.
Bro, what?
I don't know what I was
Yo,
doing,
oh my god.
So bad, bro.
That's
like,
OD.
It was so bad, but
if you guys remember on my 435, I was running 275s, and that was like what I understood is like the max. Like,
bro,
I
did not know nothing, bro. I'm telling you, it was bad.
I mean, well, now you know.
Yeah, it was bad.
And now everyone watching this knows. Oh yeah, how can we forget that?
H&R springs.
But you did H&R Super Sport, right?
Yeah, I got Super Sport. I think they're the red springs.
Yeah, I almost forgot one of like the biggest things on the exterior, the drop.
Yeah, really.
But yeah, like so lowering springs, and then interior. Do you have anything on the interior?
A lot of people ask me like if I'm gonna do like the carbon fiber all around,
the interior.
But I actually like this little like wood style that I got going
that
on
wood
here.
is nice.
Yeah, it's dirty right now,
but honestly, man, I love the carbon fiber. You guys already know I did it on my F30. I love it. I mean, regardless, the outside of the car looks, I mean, these cars are beautiful, like from the factory, right? Now, in terms of performance, this thing sounds crazy. It's definitely a loud car. He did CTS intake right over here. You have a catalyst downpipe, right?
Yeah, I got a catalyst downpipe.
Is it VRSF?
I got it, yeah, VRSF.
Catalyst downpipe. Charge pipe, upgraded charge pipe.
Yeah, VRSF too.
VRSF, shout out to VRSF.
Yep.
And then what else? What else you got in here?
Is
that pretty much it? Well, you said you have the heat exchanger, right?
I got the CSF, right?
Yeah, CSF. I think that's what it's called. Someone's gonna roast us in the comments if we're wrong.
Like that, bro. And then obviously we got the NGK for like stage 2 spark plugs.
Yeah, gotta get the spark plugs.
Yeah, you gotta get the spark.
And then
plugs.
you're tuned on what, BM3 MHD?
No, I'm on boot mod. Yeah, I'm on boot mod stage 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it, right?
All right, so what I'm gonna do, what I'm thinking we can do, because we don't want to get kicked out of here, right? We're not gonna do it right now, but I'll probably film some shots of the car revving a little bit.
Yeah. We could do that.
Right before we leave, so like right before we leave, we'll do that. Then we'll dip.
Then we're out, right?
Yeah, then we're out. But we'll still continue this video, so I'll throw the clips in right now. So as you guys heard, that's what the car sounds like. Now, for us, we didn't hear anything, but obviously the magic of editing.
Yeah, the magic of you know, computer and Premiere.
It's definitely loud, and like I'm guessing you probably turned that burble tune like all the way up, didn't you?
You know what's crazy?
You didn't?
I have it when you hear it like when we drive, it's at the lowest.
What?
It's literally at the lowest.
Dang.
You haven't heard this like maxed yet. I used to have it maxed, but it was just so much, bro. Like it will be making noise for like 6 seconds, bro.
Oh my god, yeah, that's OD. I mean, what you have it at now is like it's loud and aggressive, but like
it's quick.
I think it doesn't like drag out too long, which is good. But yeah, otherwise I think that's pretty much everything on the car, right? Am I forgetting anything?
Yeah. I just did a res delete. So I did
res delete.
Exhaust, I just did a res delete and a downpipe, and then that's it.
Yeah, you still have your muffler, right?
Yeah, I still have my muffler.
Yeah.
I don't want to go straight pipe. So everybody always asks me, it's like, oh, what did you do? Like, what's your
exhaust setup? Yeah, that's one of them.
I got an exhaust setup. I just cut off my resonator, and then I got a downpipe, and that's it. That's all
I mean, listen though, like that's that in itself is enough, I think, because this car already sounds loud.
That's good. Yeah, that's good with that, bro. Like,
yeah, no, I think it sounds good. But yeah, I mean, like I said, guys, go subscribe to his channel because I know he still wants to do some more stuff to it. And like I said, like he does a lot of cool videos, especially like POV videos with this car. And like he's just a funny dude. Honestly, I tell him all the time. Super outgoing, super like lighthearted. So you guys will enjoy his videos. Honestly, like I do. I legit watch his videos all the time. We shot some videos together, so like go check out those videos as well. But yeah, anyways, guys,
we got a lot coming for you guys, man.
Stay tuned. Especially
definitely. When the summer hits, bro. Oh my god, we're gonna go crazy. So make sure you guys get here.
I have someone to go to car shows with now.
Whoa,
I'm just saying, bro. That's one of the worst things. I hate people like, yo, you should go to more car shows, more events. I'm like, yo, it's fun, but like when you go by yourself,
right?
like.
It's not, like
yeah, it's like, oh man, like, and before I used to go with my wife, but like, ever since like we became parents, like, I can't bring my baby all the time, so she's got to stay with her.
Running around the car show like this.
Bro, I did that at the Keys show. If you guys met me at the Keys show, we're literally walking around with a stroller. Like the struggle is real. We'll definitely make a whole bunch of videos together. Obviously, like, you know, maybe we'll bring like Justin out. Maybe Slow Speed will join us. So
yeah, that would be sick.
So just bear with us, guys. Like, it's cold right now. You know, when it warms up, we'll do some crazier stuff. But yeah, like until then, go subscribe to my boy. Drop this video a like if you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button on this channel if you haven't already. And yeah, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.
Peace.